Hi, welcome back to the Love Luxury YouTube channel. I'm Emily Abraham, and today we're going to be talking about the bag behind me, which happens to be a Birkin 25 cargo. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and comment. The Birkin 25 Cargo is a fairly new model to the Hermes collections, and it only came out approximately 2020, 2021. So that's when we started seeing them trickle onto the market in the UK. So, what makes this cargo bag stand out from its standard counterparts, apart from the way it looks, is the fact that it has so many functional pockets, which is something a regular Birkin lacks. The Birkin cargo was inspired by versatile, hard-wearing military wear, which is why it is so reminiscent of an army uniform. It has a fully functional front pocket, as you can see, this little diddy one at the front. I don't think it can hold very much, but it is rather cute, and unlike other Birkins that don't have any external pockets, obviously it is quite handy if you don't want to keep reaching in and out of your bag. On the back of the bag, there's a card holder, which did puzzle me just a little bit because I thought, why would anybody put their cards externally on their bag? Because it would be so much easier to take them. However, I suppose it's horses for courses in this case. And if you do want your cards on the outside of your bag, there's a perfect card slot there just for you. This smaller version of the Birkin Cargo doesn't come with a cup holder and a few other added extras that its larger counterparts do come with. Now, you could decide whether that's a bonus or a negative with regards to this particular model. The cargo model comes in a very durable toile canvas and the smooth leather Swift trimmings. And if you absolutely love your cloche lock and keys, don't worry, this model also comes with them. The Birkin Cargo is available from Hermes boutiques at €11,100. The composition of this bag really has been crafted without any exception for quality, and the canvas is very thick and firm and can definitely take some usage on it. And the Swift leather is stitched very tightly to the canvas, almost in a very rigid, structured sense, which is surprising because the bag looks like it should be more casual. However, when you do hold it in your hands, it really does feel well built indeed. If you are enjoying the video so far, don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and comment. And don't forget that we are a live shop in Knightsbridge, and we do have a lovely luxurious boutique where you can come and have a look around and look at the stock that we have for sale. We're in Beauchamp Place in Knightsbridge. The colorway of the particular cargo bag that we have is called Sesame, and you can see why. It's a really sandy color that does emulate sesame. We haven't really seen many of these model of Birkin on the market, and I'm not sure whether we're going to see many of this model of Birkin on the market because we never know what Hermes are going to be kicking out on their production line. I do think that this particular model is going to be highly sought after, not just by women, because it does have quite a masculine feel to it. And whilst I was doing my research, I noticed that most of the models that I came across actually happen to have the palladium hardware. So I think with the gold hardware, it may be even rarer. The measurements of this particular cargo bag are exactly the same as any other Birkin 25 that we have in stock. It's no bigger and no smaller, so it is a standard Birkin 25 for its measurements. While I was opening the box, I noticed that the inside of the box is a standard Birkin box with the white paper lining, but I also noticed that the dust bags have the blue drawstring and the blue stamp. So that would say that this is a limited edition model from Hermes. So to round this Birkin 25 cargo up, it's a standard Birkin 25 in its measurements. It's made of toile canvas and Swift leather. It has palladium hardware. It's very durable on the canvas side, but is the Swift as durable? That's a big question. The packaging is the standard packaging. However, the dust bags are blue string and blue print. That would indicate that this is a limited edition bag. So will it be out for the foreseeable future, or will this just be a short-term fling? Thank you so much for joining us here at Love Luxury in Knightsbridge to watch this video. We do hope that you found something about it informative, and don't forget that we also are going to be putting out a few of these videos weekly. So don't forget to hit subscribe, like and comment and get us up to 1,000 subscribers.